All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to cover Dogelon really quick here. So, this thing tried to go to the moon. It is still bullish, I would say, right now. We can see that from the indicators. The momentum is clearly up. The top could very well be in here off of that candle that spawned in, off of these wicks. I do not like the looks of those. That's very bearish, in my opinion. But you are right above the 200-day EMA. You're sitting right on this 18.8 level, which if we draw a fib from the low here to the high, you're sitting right on your 382. So the big price to watch, we're going to draw a box here from that 18.8 down to your 200-day EMA. As long as you hold that tiny green box here, you're still extremely bullish on Dogelon for a push higher. So you want to see this thing stay over the 200-day EMA and continue in an uptrend here. We are going to go ahead and get our squiggly line here off of the chart. This is from the last update. We wanted this thing to come down to this volume area and get this thing a lot cheaper and get it for a better return in the next run. So there is a huge difference from this area here. If we would have came down here, instead of having a 20 to a 40x on Dogelon in the next bull run, if it continues going, if the price would have came down to this volume area, then that could have been a 40 to 60 to potentially an 80x on Dogelon if it was to come down here. But we did not get that. It still may happen. I do not know. I would say just the most important thing to watch here is watch the 18 level. Watch this green box. As long as we hold this, there's a potential for another green candle to spawn in here and this thing to keep going. We're not really going to measure anything on Dogelon here. Just watch 18. As long as you hold the 18 level and the 200-day EMA, there's a potential that you start spiking back to the upside. Or at least, if you're not going to do that, maybe we'll hold support over the 200 and then we can start slowly making our way up before the next bull run hits here. So this may have very well, after all this accumulation here, this may have very well been the bottom for Elon here. So congrats to the guys that bought in here. Congrats to everyone that took some profit off of this little move. And hopefully you guys get a lot more money out of this thing before it's all said and done. So we will leave it at that on Dogelon. Not financial advice. It is still bullish right now, so just keep an eye on that price. And with that said, we'll leave it at that. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.